Mubalothi wa Kenya nthini ya Netherlands Halima Mucheke na augite akabangania ndiunga kiri thirikari ya nthi inu kuriunga Kenya ni kiri migunda ya MIRAA nikena meonera MIRAA ati kimira giki thuku nkuruki na augite agacukuma kuona ati MIRAA ikwambiriria kubirwa nthi ya Netherlands kairi.
Now my good question to the nominee is this. Now you come from MIRAA growing a county. What are you going to do to make sure that MIRAA is going to be around again, to be exported to the Netherlands, for it really affected the lives of farmers in Meru region, and littering per se can be managed if a proper approach is applied to the market area. That's
first and foremost, Chairman and members, the best thing for us is to add value to the crop. Secondly, is to ensure standards and quality. Because if the reason it was banned was because of littering and other nuisances, it is important that we have standards and quality, and also we need capacity building for our people. Our people need to be trained, to be given skills, even from, I think the Dutch people might have visited Meru to see when the MIRAA is being harvested. At times, when you see, you might not like, but I think that is where we'll talk of capacity building. We give our people skills, and also we ensure that we do policy advocacy to make sure that we have the right policy in place.
You know the situation in our country. Coming also from Meru, you know the challenges that the dairy sector faces. We have issues of high costs of feeds. We have issues of technology challenges. The country that you're going to is very successful in this area.
The best thing is to ensure that members of parliament visit so that they can be able to make laws that enable the government to support the farmers. Definitely, I've been close to people, so I understand the interest of the people and what needs to be done. So Mwesh, I want to assure you, once I get there, that will be one of my first pet subjects. I'll go and address it, I'll visit the farms, and I'll make sure that whatever can be done to our farmers will be done.